Here's one. Little one. Little one. They could be behind any rock, guys. Look how small he is. Look how hard he's fighting. Relax, little dude. Relax. Relax. Oh, little mini guy. Sorry about the camera angle there, guys. Look at that. Little tiny smallie start the day. Little tiny guy. Beautiful guy. They're fighters, all of them. You can find a smallie behind literally any little rock, man. Let's just bring that right down through there. Literally under any rock. The reason I'm using this little Rapala Floating Minnow is it's just black and silver natural to what they have going on in here for bait. Oh, but he came out and smoked it. There's one. This is actually the first bass I've ever caught down this end of the creek. I usually get in and walk up it. He must have just been laying in underneath one of these rocks. Oh, that's fine. Man, I'll let smallmouth get off. Sure, he hit as soon as he hit the water. He's not a big guy, but man, he hit it like he was. I knew this looked like a good area down here. Look at how beautiful, man. Look at how beautiful. Relax, dude, not get it out of you. Sure, he's a little one. Man, you hit it tough. Oh, relax, dude. Relax if you would chill. We get you unhooked here. There we go. Sorry I didn't show him to the camera. I want him to get back in the water. Whew. Them smallies hit it hard, man. Them smallies hit it hard. Whew. Sure, I knew this looked like a good stretch through here. There's another one, third one. And man, it's blazing hot midday. Chill out, bud. Another little guy. At least I got somewhere over here to land you, dude. Look at him, guys. Yeah, one. Oh, another little one. But this looked like a good spot through here. Sure, little guys came play today. Look how pretty they are, though. And you see how hard they fight for as tiny as they are, man. Awesome species of fish. Awesome species of fish, man. Probably my favorite to catch, but I do have there's a special place in my heart for largemouth, and then I also like catching trout. What this look like? I mean, oh, there was another one. There was another one right there. So today, what we did in today's video, guys, I had never actually walked down and fished the creek down, I guess, towards the south is what we'll say, down towards South Point. So I decided the water's really, really low. It's really clear. It's really hot today. It's in the 80s. Water's ankle deep for the most part, unless you can find a little bit of a deeper hole. And then that's generally when, where I would cast, using a little Rapala Original Floating Minnow, one of my favorite creek fishing lures. If you can find a black and silver, get your black and silver. But another color that seems to slay no matter where you are is the rainbow trout color or the brook natural trout color. But it was a fun day walking. I got to stand in the creek with those giant carp that were there. I hope those were on camera. We'll see when I get to editing it. But it's fun walking that clear creek with the water low. Just throwing a little original floating minnow, catching a couple smallies, scouting out. But I'm Tyler, on my Larry Fishing. Share your fishing passion with someone else. Get out, do some therapy, man. Fishing's my therapy. So great therapy session today. No bigs, but we caught some smallies, and on one of my favorite methods, just burning a crankbait. Thank you guys for watching today. I'm gonna hit you with some cool walking footage here though.